Now, as that vapor starts to rise into the atmosphere gets quite cool up at the top. So down here by the Earth's surface, it's warm, but up here, it's cool. So the air is cool. So as soon as that vapor hits the cool air up in the atmosphere, it actually starts to change back from a vapor back to a liquid. And when we change from a vapor back to a liquid, the process is called condensation. So we've had the opposite thing happen. Here we started off with a liquid which got heated up and became a vapor. And now we have a vapor that gets cooled down and becomes a liquid. So evaporation and condensation are opposite processes. When that condensed liquid starts to come together, it invites a particle of dust or gas or soot or pollen. And that little tiny particle is absolutely necessary in the water cycle because little particles come together with molecules of water, liquid water, or condensed water, and form a cloud. So in order to have a cloud, we need condensed water, we need a little particle of dust, and we also need the atmosphere because that's where the cooling off takes place. So those three things are necessary for the production of a cloud. When that cloud gets too full, it drops its water. It's sort of like a balloon, a water balloon. If you fill it up too much, it bursts and all of the water comes out. And that's what happens in the water cycle when the cloud gets too full. And when the water comes down from a cloud or falls from a cloud, it's called precipitation. Now, precipitation can take four forms, actually. It can be water when it comes down. So when water falls from the sky, it falls as rain. We can have frozen water, turns into a snowflake, so we can have snow. We can have half rain, half snow, which is sleet. Or we can have solid pieces of ice, which is called hail. So those four things are called precipitation, and it depends on whether the water comes down, in which case it's rain, or if it freezes into snow, or if it's half rain, half snow, or if it's frozen balls of ice. So we have rain, snow, sleet, or hail, and all of those things are called precipitation. Now, once the water reaches the ground, it can take one of two paths.